Hello, welcome to week 4 actually, week 4 of our weekly roundup. We're actually out for a walk at the moment with Kenny and Louise. We're out looking for orca just because the sea is so flat and so calm. The visibility is really good, but we haven't seen anything yet. But we're here at the Ness of Bergie at Scatness, so we're having a bit of an explore and hoping something turns up. I trust him. They're having like a photo shoot behind, I think.
We're just taking pictures of each other.
Aww. Oh.
Our bro match. We're going to have a bro match out. Picture. Stay there, Charlotte. Get a picture.
I've like completely scraped my leg trying to go through into that little room in the brock. It was not a good idea. So we've had another lovely day with Kenny and Louise. We went for another walk up to St Ninian's and we walked a bit along the beach and then all the way around the Isle as well.
Yeah, it's such a sunny day as well.
Yeah.
It's so nice doing St Ninian's when there's a bit of sun out. It makes such a difference.
It makes it look amazing. It already looks amazing even in bad weather, but in the sun, yeah, it looks incredible.
We're having a little walk up to Sombra now. I think it's about 9 o'clock at night. Oh, that smells a bit. I think something's died there.
Oh. It's gonna be me soon. I go over that cliff.
If it's a dead bird or something.
It stinks.
Yeah, we're having a little walk up to Sombra now. Last time we did this walk, we just come down and then there was an orca call, so hopefully that happens again. Yeah,
we're hoping that happens again, but yeah, it's still lovely and flat out there. And yeah.
Can't even see what I'm doing, so I don't know. Don't know if this is recording or not, but there we go.
There's loads of seabirds down there. We've got guillemots and razorbills. They're all perching on that rock over there. There's also loads of puffins in these little holes on the cliff, so we'll hopefully try and see some.
Puffins just there as well, just on the hill.
Oh yeah. You can definitely smell that they're all here.
Got a puffin right on the cliff.
So close. Nick's found his little orca friend. Well, not so little. His massive orca friend.
He's bigger than the one we got last week.
Just.
Try and put him on top of the van, on the roof rack.
Don't give him any ideas.
More comfortable sitting rather than standing. Some of them obviously yes, the minke whale.
We always seem to find a little rabbit at Sombra. This is our new rabbit friend.
Believe it or not, it's actually 20 to 10 now?
20 to 7.
It's still like the middle of the day. We're coming for a walk at our one of our favourite beaches. We always say that everywhere we go, but
it's true.
one of our favourite beaches on Shetland, Westfo. Just still can't believe it's so light, so late.
So light, so late. Also, don't know if you can see on here, but there's loads of eider ducks and they've got tiny babies. It's Monday and we've come up to Unst for the day with Ken and Louise.
They've took us on a little outing.
On a proper road trip up to Unst. We're currently at a hermaness nature reserve. There's a lot of gannets. We're trying to steer away from the poo. Yeah, so we're having a lovely walk and then we're going to have an explore of Unst.
Nice weather again, nice and sunny.
Yes, thankfully got a bit of sun. Hopefully it stays, but even if we get some rain, it'll still be fun.
We got the Orca massive.
We're going to be on the weekly vlog. We're going to be on the weekly vlog.
We just need the Orca now.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Today's the day. We're going to get them.
Yeah.
You better.
We're
better.
We're going to get them.
We made it to the top and we're not dead. Yay! And hopefully we haven't got a long hill to walk on the way back.
Hopefully we're going to go and find some orca.
Yes. It's Tuesday and we're at one of the most stunning places where orca were actually seen here just yesterday. I can't believe it. We're at Skea and the water is so clear.
There's so many seals in front of us.
Yeah.
I don't know how much of a field day the orcas had yesterday because there's still a lot here.
There's a lot of seals.
Hopefully they come back. We've seen a little otter as well.
Yeah.
Seem to be bumping into these otters like every single day, no matter where we go, they just appear in front of us.
Yeah, we had a great day yesterday with Kenny and Louise. We went all the way up to Unst and then we heard there was some orca around on the mainland. So we made our way back, headed over to Lunning hoping to catch up with them, but unfortunately we didn't. But we did see some otters.
we saw the orcas blowing in the distance, but it was really far away, it's only brief, so we're really hoping that Kenny and Louise get to see the orca before they head back home, so
yeah,
hopefully the rest of this week they show up again. This would be a good spot.
This would be perfect if they came here.
Lots of little seals bobbing around for them.
Yeah. So we might make another visit here, hopefully. Yeah. So as well as an otter popping up right in front of Kenny yesterday at Lunning, this location is absolutely amazing and we've actually just seen an otter here, which is just so cool. It's Wednesday and it's very, very wet today, so I think it's going to be an indoor van kind of day today. So I think unless an orca turns up today, we're just going to head to the library and make this video, and then yeah, we'll see you next week.
This is what our wipers like to do every single time we come to Shetland. They're meant to be on at the moment.
I don't know why this always happens.